Hey guys, and welcome to your Money Q&A question of the day. I'm your host, Stacy Johnson, and this answer is brought to you by MoneyTalksNews.com. We've been serving up personal finance news and advice since 1991. Can you believe it? It's true. Okay, let's get to our question for today. It comes to us from Polly. Polly says, what's the best Medicare supplement insurance? Let's get some definitions down, then we'll talk a little about how to find what's the best. When you know what Medicare is, right? When you turn 65, you get Medicare insurance. You got Part A, which covers hospitals. You got Part B, which covers doctor visits. Now, with Part B, you've still got costs, though, that you're going to have to pay. You've got co-insurance, co-payments. You've got deductibles. So you've got some expenses, even though Medicare is covering you. Now, so hence, we have Medicare supplement insurance, also known as Medigap. And what this does is covers the gap. It's another little policy you put on top of Medicare that's going to help you pay those co-insurances and co-payments and deductibles so that you don't have as much expense out of pocket when you go to the doctor. Make sense? Fine. You're also going to hear something about, though, called Medicare Advantage plans. That's a totally different thing. Not the same thing as Medicare supplemental insurance. Medicare Advantage plan is more like an HMO. You're going to go to one place, you're going to maybe get some extra services. It's going to cost less money. It's going to cover all your expenses. You don't have to pay anything out of pocket. You might get your vision covered, which Medicare doesn't typically cover, maybe even dental. So Medicare Advantage plans are not the same thing as Medigap, something worth looking at perhaps. Now with Medicare, with regular Medicare or with Medicare supplemental insurance, you can go to any doctor. With Medicare Advantage plans, you typically are confined to a network. So you're giving up some flexibility in exchange for lower cost, if that makes sense. But just want to make sure you understand there's a distinction between those two things. What Polly wants to know is about Medicare supplement insurance. It's pretty easy to shop, and you should shop. The thing is, here's what they did. A lot of different companies sell it, but it all has to be standardized. And they have letters that go from A to N, Apple to Nancy, so that you can, and all those plans within those categories, A, B, and all that, have to be exactly the same. So all you have to do is compare cost. So the services are basically the same. Where can you learn and where can you compare these plans? Medicare.gov, baby. All you gotta do is go there. It'll explain all about Medicare supplement plans to you, and it'll even allow you to shop them based on where you live. Pretty cool. Free, easy to understand, simple. Do it. Okay, I hope that answers your question, Polly. And I hope the rest of you will join me right here next time.